and with deep gratitude for the trust and confidence you have afforded me.
Bye-bye.
That trust has been the source
Panalo tayo.
of my strength in every day of service.
Sad.
When I assumed this responsibility,
Mamimiss ko yan eh. Galing yan eh.
I made a solid commitment that the House of Representatives would be the people's house.
Say hi.
Kongreso,
Hi.
bukas, tapat,
Say hi.
tulay na naglilingkod. Yet leadership also demands that we confront the trials of the present.
Ayun, Marcos.
In his recent State of the Nation address, our President reminded us that accountability must prevail
Okay. Hindi, ano po.
and that no one is above scrutiny.
Oo nga, yan.
I fully
Yan
and
tuloy.
unequivocally embrace that call.
Good. Ganyan. Bye-bye ka na.
The issues surrounding certain infrastructure projects have raised questions that weigh not only upon me, but upon this institution we all serve.
Dang billion ha.
Ang ating mga kababayan
Hundreds of
ay
billions.
nangangad ng linaw at higit sa lahat ng tiwala. Tungkulin natin ito'y may balik.
Bye-bye yan. Bye-bye.
The longer I stay, the heavier that burden grows on me, on this house, and on the president I've always sought to support. And so, after deep reflection and prayer, I have
Dadasal ka
made
pala,
a
ah.
decision today with a full heart and a
May
clear
puso ka pala
conscience.
ha.
I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Yun o, panalo na ang taong bayan.
I do
Panalo
this
tayo.
so that the Independent Commission on Infrastructure may pursue its mandate freely and fully,
Hindi, pinsan ka
without
ng
doubt,
Pangulo.
without interference, without undue influence.
Pinsan ka ni Marcos.
Walang
Walang nangyayari
pipili.
sa'yo.
Walang
Safe
makikita.
ka. Safe ka.
Let the truth emerge and let justice be done. My colleagues, carry forward